Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making lamb tips. It is one of my favorite Ethiopian dishes and what I order every time I visit an Ethiopian restaurant. Stick around to the end to see how this turns out, and don't forget to check the description for all the ingredients plus quantities used. I heat some oil and add the lamb. I know what you see here is more than a tablespoon of oil. I remade this recipe using 1 tablespoon and it turned out great. When I first used 2 tablespoons, it became too oily for my liking after adding the butter. I add salt and black pepper and keep stirring until the meat is browned. I used extra lean diced lamb for this recipe. There's too much moisture in the meat, so I cover the pot and allow time for the water to be absorbed. The meat is still hard, so I add roughly half a cup of water and let it cook on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes or until the meat is cooked but still firm. The meat is now softened but firm. I slightly browned the meat before adding the onions and kibbeh, which is an Ethiopian herbed butter. I stir for a minute or two, add the jalapeño and continue stirring for another minute. At this point, the amount of water you add is completely up to you, so adjust this to your liking. Give it a minute or two to blend in and turn the heat off. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. As I mentioned earlier, the only thing I had to change was reduce the amount of cooking oil at the start. I served it with injera and shiro to the side and it was delicious. The entire house smelled amazing. For how I make shiro, please check out the video linked above. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as we do. And if you like this sort of content, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post a new recipe. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.